All right, we're going to start off with problems 1 through 5. For this first problem, they give you that the length of dt is 60. So then all that we can use here is then that 2x minus 8 plus 3x minus 12 is going to equal 60. Combine our like terms here to get 5x. Combine our like terms here to get minus 20. Add 20 to both sides. 5x equals 80. Divide by 5. X equals 16. But we don't want to stop there because it wants us also to find the lengths of ds and st. So then we have to substitute 16 in. 16 in, so 2 times 16 minus 8 gives us a length of 24. And 3 times 16 minus 12 gives us a length of 36. And again, when we add those together, they equal 60, so then that makes sense. So now in number 2, a scale of a map is 1 inch equals 22 miles. If you're looking at two towns that are 4.5 inches away, how far away in miles are they from each other? So one way we can do this is set up a proportion. 1 inch to 22 miles. So then if we know the inches, we want those to go on top together. So then x miles is what we have down here. So then we can cross multiply. 1 times x just gives us x. 22 times 4.5 gives us 99 miles. All right, number 3, the diameter of a circle is 1, 1, and 5, 5. Find the coordinates of the center. So to find the center, we do the midpoint formula. So 1 plus 5 over 2, 1 plus 5 over 2 gives us a center at 3, 3. Find the length of the radius. So if we want to go from the center to an endpoint, I'm going to use 1, 1 as my endpoint. So I've got the square root of 3 minus 1 quantity squared plus 3 minus 1 quantity squared. 3 minus 1 is 2, squared is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2, squared is 4 again. So we have the square root of 8, which then can be 4 times 2, which is 2 times 2. So we have a pair of 2's here. So our radius is 2 radical 2, which then takes us to the circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 times the radius pi, or d pi. If the radius equals 2 radical 2, then we're taking 2 times 2 radical 2, which is 4 radical 2 pi units. The area is the radius squared pi. So 2 radical 2 squared means we square the 2 and the radical 2. Make sure you get that in parentheses if you're doing it on a calculator. So 4 times 2, or 8 pi units squared. So number 4, what we want to remember about a triangle is that there's 180 degrees in every single triangle. So we're just going to go ahead and say, okay, 90 plus x plus 23 plus x plus 13 equals 180. Combine our like terms. So we have 2x plus 126 equals 180. 2x equals 54. So x equals 27. And if x equals 27, then we substitute 27 in for x. The measure of angle A is 50. The measure angle B is 40. And again, if this is 50 and this is 40 and this is 90, 50 plus 40 plus 90 is 180. So then moving on to problem number 5. The angle relationship is alternate interior. And if two angles have a relationship of alternate interior, then they are congruent. And when things are congruent, we set them equal. So we're going to set 3x plus 5 equal to 65, minus 5 for both sides. 3x equals 60, divide by 3, x is equal to 20. So there's the first 5 problems.